friends, let's cook. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lera. So good morning sa inyong lahat dyan, mga friends. So I'm going to cook today, not cook but grilled. I'm going to grill a pork belly, or in Visayan it's sinugbang baboy. Baboy means pork in our dialect, or even in Tagalog. So ayan, I still have leftover about 1/4 of the pork belly. So hindi siya masyadong, it's not really fatty because there's a layer of meat, good meat in there. So I'm thinking I'm gonna make a sinugbang baboy or grilled pork, and then I'm going to make my own version of my own dipping sauce. So I'm gonna put some of the ginger, and then of course tomatoes, and then of course the limoncito, frozen. This is a frozen limoncito now because when I bought this it's really fresh. And then of course the chili, and then I'm using shallots. Shallots is more stronger than the regular than a regular onion, yeah. But maybe since this is just, my baby is bugging. Hi, Shh, Blossom, good morning. Hey, where are you going? Shh, where are you going today? You think that he is available? If not, then I'm gonna make the sinugbang baboy for lunch. Aray, she is ready but we have no idea. Come on, I'm gonna finish this one first, okay? So ayan siya mga friends. Of course, the soy sauce and the vinegar. Ang vinegar pala mga friends, I didn't get right away. Hindi ko siya na-gets agad. That's why it's called tubasok, or it means tuba. Tuba is coconut wine. And then sok is suka. Hindi ko siya na-gets agad. Sabi ko, what is tubasok? So tuba pala and suka combined. The two words is combined. Tuba means the vinegar. Tuba means the coconut wine. And suka is the vinegar. Ay, what the heck. So later I'm gonna show you when I'm grilling and then I'm done. So that's it mga friends. Mahangin. Kaya hindi steady yung fire. Hi, Blossom. What are you doing there? Move natin yung plato natin. Yung mga chikiting ko andun sa itaas. Kasi kadarating ni Norman. Tapos, alas 8 na ata mga friends. Ay, pero tignan niyo, oh. 8 PM. Ang taas pa ng araw. Pero kailangan ko talagang tapusin yung barbecue na yan kasi takot akong barbecue talaga. Pagod naman siguro na. Ay, lolo. See, nilower ko na nga itong fire na to. Wala. Ano na to mga friends. Wala, napagod naman siguro na. Ay, this one might be overcooked. Medyo ko baksan. Pwede na siguro ko mga friends. Ay. Tapos sausa sa suka. Mga kapitbahay ko dyan mga friends, nagtaka na kung anong pinagsasabi ko dito. Ayaw kong English yan kasi syempre maintindihan nila. Yan ang nakakaano sa city kasi marinig kanila kasi how many inches away lang, feet. I guess this is good. Ay, Daddy! Norman! Daddy! I'm good. Hello! I'm done.
That one's addicted to peanuts, but you can't give her too much.
No.
It's too easy to choke on peanuts.
I know. Off it now, off it now. I'll just stay in there a little bit. There's still fire though.
Yeah, because their fat just dripped down and their fat is burning.
I want to stay there a little bit. Uy! Oh my gosh. I overcooked this one. But this is cooked. You want some?
Sure.
Okay, let's mix sausawan. It's called sausawan. It's very simple. Just tomato. This is how traditionally make sausawan or dipping sauce for just grilled, very simple grilled pork. So tomato, and then I'm using shallots. Mix lang po mga friends.
It is, it's very hot.
There is bahaw in there, monster.
There's what?
Bahaw.
What's that?
Leftover rice.
Ha! Where's the leftover potato?
My God.
What are you doing? You left those tomatoes.
That is for my sausawan, kuya.
What the heck?
Dipping sauce.
What?
Dipping sauce for my
What's
sinugba. Oy, get out your hand in there. Kuya, it's shallots. Shallot.
Why?
See, there's the soy sauce and
Can I have that?
that's a little bit spicy.
Why?
Shallots. It's not a fruit.
What the heck?
He's thinking it's a fruit. Here's our dipping sauce
Yeah.
or sausawan.
What the heck?
See, I'm using the tuba sok or tuba. Sukang tuba. Tuba is coconut wine. And then soy sauce. And then that's it. So, pinisa ko na yung ano ba yun? Oy, yung chili. Sana ginawa ko ito early para more crunchy kung i-fridge niyo muna kahit saglit. 10 to 15 minutes. More crunchier ang tomato at saka yung onion set. Naubos na yun, Norman, yung yung sinugba, oy. Kunti na lang naiwan.
Oh, my poor
Pero hindi siya kumain nito. Thank you, kuya.
You want a peanut, don't you?
So, it's my turn to eat.
I know what you want.
Why did you got such choke sound? Yeah.
Kaon! Using my bare hand. Norman is always complaining if I'm using my hands because what is that? You said barbaric? He's teasing me like I'm barbaric. See, bahaw mga friends, o bahaw. Or leftover rice.
You're only allowed to eat with your fingers when you go to the carnival, when you're eating corn dogs, when you're eating fried chicken and french fries,
Boy, quiet.
when you're eating cotton candy and ice cream. Well, I guess almost anything. Except steak, you need a knife.
You have no choice. Your wife is what is that? Barbarian, you said.
Oh, you're a barbarian. Look at you eating with your fingers, huh?
Yeah.
It's not about that. It's about how fast you can get it in your mouth.
Yeah.
With a spoon, you can eat very quickly. You can just shovel it in.
Yeah.
With your fingers, you're very slow.
Yeah. There you go, my friends, huh? Sinugba. Say sinugba.
Sinogba, bacon, pork belly.
Yeah.
Mama. Mama.
You want some, baby?
Mama. No.
Give me your water, daddy.
No, you didn't say that right.
I'll get you your own.
Look at that.
What?
Don't take them with me.
Pakaw sa mga friends. Paningot ko eh. Units gawas, alas 8 na.
What?
Sausawan. Sorry for the noise, mga friends.
Let's find the lid. Where's
I
the
don't
lid
have a
in the
knife,
straw?
oy. Kamot na lang, oy.
There's a lid in the straw for this cup. I don't know where it is.
Just leave it here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Don't go, I'm eating. Kuya, this one is pork. You can eat this one.
No.
Sit beside me. Sit beside me. Oh, Kuya, you go the other way. Here. Sorry for the noise, mga friends.
You're gonna be in the middle.
Here. Here, baby.
You're gonna be in the middle.
Kain itong dalawa, basta rice. Kamot din sila, mga friends. What do you think? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down? No. Good. Are you teasing me? No, yucky. Ayan, kumain. What? Oy, are you choking? Hindi ako mag-concentrate na itong mga friends.
Last time smoking.
Oops. Sit, Blossom girl. Sit. Sit here, Bam Bam, please. You want water?
Mom.
I'm done na, mga mga friends. Thanks God. Meron pa akong leftover na dalawa. 3 slices na yung nakain ko. Pero hindi naman siya kasi nga ang layer ng fat is dito lang, yung sa top lang talaga. So mostly meat talaga siya. Yung laman kumbaga. So meron pa akong leftover na sausawan. So I'm going to fry milkfish tomorrow para magamit ko itong sausawan. Kasi itong dalawa, I'm sure no one will still eat that one. He likes it, he said. Masarap naman talaga yung ano, what's that called? Sinugba or grilled pork. So natapos din, and then I don't know if you observe that sorry for shaky thing. I don't know if you observe that if you eat sinugba or grilled pork, it's very yummy to match with leftover rice or yung bahaw na tinatawag sa Bisaya. My mouth is burning. It's very spicy. Kasi ay pinisa ko yung ano, yung ano ba yun ay chili, pero half lang yung ginamit ko kasi malaki. So ayan, si Kuya Seth hindi talaga kumain, kunti lang. Sabi niya busog daw siya, iwan ko. Ano, ipakain ko yan mamaya. Pero kakain naman talaga siya bago siya matulog, mga friends. I know it's like a bad habit, but maybe because he is very tired playing in the day. So after ma-relax na siya, kakain talaga yan ng ano, ng bread and Nutella at saka isang basong gatas. Yan ang ano niya, parang na-routine na niya, kumbaga. Whew, it's so spicy. Sarap ng hapunan namin today, mga friends. Thank you God for the food today. Kasi minsan lang kasi, not all the time that I'm cooking like this kind of food. So, kasi pabago-bago, means, kasi pag dry kasi mga friends, pag ganito na dry cooking, ayaw ng mga babies ko, hindi nila kakain. Yung pakunti-kunti lang. But if I cook like caldereta, adobo, pansit, that's the time they're gonna eat plenty. So, but this kind, no. Mahirapan akong magpakain. So, Blossom is eating her baby food. Kuya Seth is, what's that? Sorry. No. He's just eating a little bite of my food, and that's it. So, you. Daddy! I thought you're in the basement. Nah, your kid is in the basement. So anyway, mga friends, thank you for watching tonight for my cooking, not cooking, but for grilling my pork today. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful night sa inyong lahat dyan. Thank you again, and God bless. Bye!